Okay, so we'll start next year, the next test part, 13.1C, okay, so 1C, this will include your examples 1, 2, then on exercise 13.1, okay, these questions, A, 1, 2, 3, and 4, all these you'll find on textbook pages 227 to 228, 227 to 228, okay, 227 to 228. So this one, let's just keep it because we need it from time to time, the conversion of length here. Okay, so let's start with the example 1 on page 227. Okay, so here, example 1. Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place the tree on a wooden box covered with colored paper with picture of Santa Claus on it. The figure is also given in the question. She must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length, breadth and height 80, 40 and 20 centimeter respectively, how many square meters of paper of size 40 centimeter would she require? So let's draw the box. The box is something like this. On this box she is going to place the Christmas tree. The box is of dimension clearly given, 80 by 40, 80 centimeter length, 40 centimeter breadth and 20 centimeter height. That is the dimension given. So here, dimensions of the box on which she is going to place the tree. Okay, the length is 80 centimeter, as we can read from the question, or we have rather read from the question just a moment ago. B is equal to 40 centimeter. This is mentioned as the breadth, and the height is 20 centimeter. So this is the box. So since she is going to cover the whole thing with a paper of size square sheet of paper 40 centimeter side, that means square sheet of paper like this. Square means all the four corner angles are 90 degrees each and the sides are all of same side. So here 40 centimeter everywhere. So with this colored paper square size of 40 by 40, she's going to cover this. So how many sheets of paper of this size with square sheets of paper of this size will she require to completely cover exactly the box? So for that, we need to find out the total surface area or surface area of the box. And we know surface area or total surface area of box means the cuboid only, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, right? So replacing the right values in the right places, length is 80 and the breadth is 40 plus breadth is 40 into height is 20 plus length is 80 LH, so into height is 20, and we put here centimeter square once. That's enough to indicate its area. Area means centimeter square, 2-dimensional. So 2 into 8 fours are 32, 2 zeros here, so we put it there. 4 twos are 8 and double 0 because of these 2 zeros. 8 twos are 16 and double 0. So this is what we're getting. I think this is not hard to add. 3200 plus 800 is 4000, common sense also we can add, right? 3200 plus 800, 4000, then 5600 plus 1600 means 5600. So let's put it here, 5600 and centimeters square. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10 plus 1 11 for this part, and the 2 zeros we can just put it at the back. The total surface area of the box is 11,200 centimeters square. Now let us find out the area of each square sheet of side A 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter square sheet of paper. Area of one sheet. Area of each means 1. Okay, so that is area of a square is side square, so A square. If its side is A, as we've indicated, that will be 40 into 40 because square. 40 into 40. Area, so centimeter square. 4 4s are 16. And these 2 zeros we can just put it at the back. 1600 centimeter square is the area of each square sheet of paper. How many square sheets of paper required? So required numbers of square sheets required of this type will be equal to, okay, surface area of the box divided by area of each square sheet of paper. That's our answer. It's quite simple now. That will be equal to surface area of the box here, 11,200 centimeters square. Area of each square sheet, as we can see here, 1,600 or 1600 centimeters square. So these 2 centimeters square will cancel. These 2 zeros can be cancelled. Then 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 3 in hand. That 3 will go to the left, just to the left of 2, 32. So 4 8s are 32. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 7. So 7 square sheets of paper are going to be required. That answers our question. Let's go to the next example 2. So here, example 2. Example 2 is, Hamid has built a cubical tank with lid, means there is a cover, with each outer edge 1.5 meter. So cubical means cube only. So something like this, kind of a tank, closed from the top here. Cube means all the edges are same or equal. So 1.5 meter long means the breadth also 1.5 meter long, height also 1.5. That's the meaning of a cube, as we did in the first class. Cube is a cuboid where L equal to B equal to H, right? He gets the outer surface of the tank excluding the base, so outside surface, not the floor, not including the floor, covered with square tiles of side 25 centimeters. So tiles has to be covered, so square tiles. Square means all the 4 angles, as I said a moment ago, are all 90 degrees, and all the 4 sides are equal, 25 centimeter everywhere. That means like this is going to pitch on the outside except the floor. So how much would he spend for the tiles if the cost of the tile is 360 per dozen? So we have to find the cost. So here A equal to 1.5 meter, which we can convert to centimeter to match up this centimeter maybe. So meter to centimeter, so 1 2, so 1 plus 10 10, so 10 10 100. So changing big to small, so 1.5 into 100, then meter will go away and centimeter will come in. Because of multiplying to these 2 zeros, the decimal will move 2 places to the right, so starting from here, 1 here and 2, 150 centimeter. Then we need to find the surface area over which you're going to put the tile. So the question says, since the outer surface, since he has to get the outer surface, okay, surface excluding the base, means not including the floor. Base means floor, excluding the base, and covered with tiles, covered with tiles. Okay, so covered with tiles, therefore surface area for tile covering, where you're going to put the tiles for tile covering, will be, we know that the total surface area is 6a square including the floor, and the floor area is a into a square, so minus a square, means 1a square will be 5a square. So excluding base means minus 1a square, because the area of the base is 1a square, so 5a square is the area over which we're going to put the tiles. So we can calculate that 5 into 150 into 150, because a square and area means centimeter square. 15 into 15 is 225, and then this 00 you can put it, multiply to this 5, means you can just avoid multiplying the zeros. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, and these 2 zeros added finally. So 112,500 centimeter square area is the area for covering it with the tiles. So now we write here, so numbers of tiles required to cover up, written in short, will be surface area for tile covering, surface area for tile covering divided by area of each tile. So area of each square tile. So that's the answer for finding out the number of tiles we're going to require. So surface area for tile covering we found out here, 112,500 centimeter square. Then surface area of tile means square, so area of a square is side square, 25 into 25, so 25 centimeter whole thing square. That's the area of a square shape, square tile, one square tile. So 112,500 centimeter square by 25 square means 25 into 25, 625, or we can just give it simply as 25 into 25, and centimeter to the power 2 is centimeter square. So this 2 centimeter square can cancel. Then 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 1 in hand, 12, 5 2s are 10, 2 in hand, 25, 5 5s are 25, and 0 and 0. 5 1s are 5, then 5 4s are 20, 2 in hand, 25, 5 5s are 25, then 0 0. Then again 5 5s are 25, 9s are 45, then 00. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. 4 in hand, 40, so 5 8s are 40, 0. So we're going to have to require 180 tiles. Okay, 180 tiles. So we have to find the cost now. Since cost question is saying, since cost of tiles, cost of the tiles, according to question is rupees 360 rupees per dozen, or you can just write this the way the textbook is given, per dozen. So we can just write like this. So that is cost of dozen means 12, so 12 tiles in other words is equal to rupees 360, right? Therefore cost of one tile, let us first find out, will be rupees 360 divided by this 12. 12 3s are 36 and 0, so rupees 30 is the cost of one tile. But we have to find the cost of total 180, so cost of 180 tiles will be cost of one tile rupees 30 multiplied to the required number of tiles 180. So that is the total price we have to pay. 3 8s are 24, 2 in hand, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5,400 rupees has to be paid for 180 tiles. That will exactly cover the outer surface of this cubical tank, excluding its base. That's the answer. Let's go to the next one. So examples 1 and 2 has been done. Let's go to A1, 2, 3, 4. So here A1, the length, breadth and height of a cuboid are L, B and H. So the length of the diagonal is simple. In the first class we have discussed this length of diagonal of a cuboid. So answer is directly, we can write the answer, root over L square plus B square plus H square. Nothing to explain there, we have explained it in the first class. Next, go to question A2. A2. Dimensions of a box are 1 meter, 80 centimeter, 50. So box is there. Of a box means cuboid. Length is 1 meter from here to here. Breadth is 80 centimeter. Height is 50 centimeter. Directly the dimensions are given, so we can write it down. Here, dimensions of the box. Here, L equal to 1 meter, equal to 1 multiplied here, 2 centimeter, 1, 2, so multiplied to 100 is 100 and centimeter. To match up this 2 centimeter. B is 80 centimeter. So the first one is the length, the second one is the breadth, B-R-E-A-D-T-H. Then here, the height of the box, 50 centimeter is the height of the box. So the dimensions are clearly given. The area of its 4 walls, so we can simply find out now for area of its 4 walls. We know area of 4 walls of a cuboid or a box is twice H into L plus B. We learned this formula in the first class, right? So twice H is 50, L is 100, plus B is 80, and area is at the back. We can simply put centimeter square because area is 2-dimensional. So 2 into 50 is 100. Into 100 plus 80 is 180 centimeter square. And leave us with 18 there, and 1, 2, 3, 0, simply put at the back, centimeter square. So the answer choice that match, because it's a multiple choice answer, is the C1. 18000 centimeter square. A2. Let's go to A3. So here A3. Okay, A3 is the length of diagonal of a cube is 6 root 3. So there's a cube. Let's just draw it to make it clearer to our in the form of a picture for us. Cube means all the three edges are equal. The diagonal is given as the longest stick inside. This diagonal is given as 6 root 3 centimeter. The longest stick that can go inside a cube is called its diagonal. Then the edge of the cube. Edge is measurement. Here this same in a cube. So this A is the edge. So here, let A be the edge of the cube, of the given cube. Let's say given to us is, since we know from the question, diagonal of the cube is given as 6 root 3 centimeter clearly. So we can write here, formula for diagonal of a cube we learned in the first class is root 3 multiplied to the edge A. This part then equal, and this one same, 6 root 3 centimeter. So A, if you keep it alone on left side, then 6 root 3 centimeter on the right side, divided by this root 3 will come down. Root 3 cancel, so edge of the cube is 6 centimeter. So the answer choice that match our answer 6 is number 3, ABC again. So it may correct, C should be not 6 centimeter. Textbook choice there is slightly wrong, so C, let us say. Correct in your textbook, replace 5 with 6 because 5 cannot come out. And finally A4. Let's do that. A4. 2 cubes of edge 5 centimeter are joined face to face. So there are 2 cubes and they are joined face to face, means like this. Face to face. Okay, whatever like you want to draw, you can draw it like this also, face to face. 2 of them joined together. Cube means all the edges are same, so we write here this 2 cubes same size, put like this. This cube, this is not a cube but cube, then the other one put face to face, and they will be exactly same size. So let us just make this one a little bit shorter to make it more realistic, like a cube. Okay, so here, suppose the edge is already given, I think 5 centimeters. So first cube is here 5, breadth is also 5. Then the second cube also same size, so 5. And this one of course is 5. So here, since, you can write your since, here, since the 2 cubes of EDG H 5 centimeter. So you can just write here in between one, you can no need to color. Okay, here let A be the edge of each of this cube. So keep that in your mind, this A. So that 2, okay, I can simply write it here. Okay, it's fine, you don't need to rub out. I need space on right now. Let's start here. Let here A equal to 5 centimeter is edge of each cube. We can put it like that. Then we can go to the next part. Since the two cubes of same edge are joined, okay, joined face to face, face to face, because of this reason dimensions of the question is saying of the cuboid. So of the cuboid, when you join two cubes, you'll get a cuboid so formed when you join face to face. So formed. Here will be let's just put it here. Dimensions of cuboids are L, this part here, this one L will be equal to A, equal to 5 centimeter will be the length because they're joined face to face. B, the breadth will be A plus A, so A plus A, as you can see the breadth, this plus this, so A plus A is 2A, which is equal to 2A is 5 centimeter, which will be equal to 10 centimeter is its breadth of the cuboid formed when you join the two cubes face to face here. And the height will be, this again you can see in the picture, same as A, so 5 centimeter is the height. So we have determined the values of L, B and H. So we can now find out what the question is asking. The surface of the area of the cuboid so formed of the cuboid does form. They're using the language, so maybe you can just stick to the same language. So formed or does formed. So therefore surface area of the cuboid does formed. Formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So there will be 2 into L is here 5, B is 10 plus BH, 10 into H is 5 plus LH. So L is 5 into H is 5 and bracket close, centimeter square for area. They'll give us equal to 2 into 5 tens are 50 plus 10 fives are 50 plus 5 fives are 25 centimeter square. 2 into 50 plus 50, 100 plus 25, 125 centimeter square. 25 into 2 is 250 centimeter square is our answer. So we can write down the answer once. Answer choice that match our answer 250 centimeter square is the second one, B, 250 centimeter square. So that completes the part. Okay, so I hope that's fine.